Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace battery and how to refill butane gas in this lighter watch. This is analog lighter watch. So first I will show you how we can replace battery in this one, and later I will show you how to refill. So on the back of this watch, as you can see, this lid is assembled with screws, which we need to lose first. Okay. Okay, so we open this lid like this. These straps will come out because they are attached with this lid. So, and then you can see here these two screws, they are attaching this watch part with the lighter. So we unscrew this to take this watch off this whole assembly. Okay, by pushing this crown gently, you can detach this watch. So as you can see, this watch is separated now, and this is the battery. Just take this out with the knife or any sharp edge item, like this. Yeah. And same way you can put this battery back in. By pushing this crown, you see this watch is running, so battery is in. So this is the way how we replace battery, and then we reassemble this watch back with the whole unit. Again, just screw this back. Just test again to make sure it's working. Yeah, so watch is running perfectly. Okay, now I will just reassemble everything back. So this one with the buckle goes on top side. Yes. Make sure you put this lid back in correct direction. And then we put this, the other side of this strap. Okay, so after securing these straps in, you just put these screws back. Now I will show you how you can refill fuel in this watch. So we are using this butane gas cylinder. So the best way of filling this watch is putting this watch on the bottom and cylinder upside down this way. So you fit this tube in this input area and press. This way this gas will flow with a better momentum into the watch instead of putting this on the top. Yeah, so you can see this is filled now. Okay, now from here you can adjust the flame. You can see plus and minus. So if you just turn this part on this side, yeah, flame will be bigger, and on other side flame will be lower. So this is just to adjust the flame length. See, it's smaller now. If I put this one on this side, You can use a screwdriver or knife, any sharp thing. You can see now flame is bigger. So this is how you adjust from this side. Hope this video has helped you to manage this watch, like replacing battery or refilling fuel. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. See you in next video soon.